What's up, guys? Just finished week 54 of the trading challenge, trading from $100 to $1,000,000. Last week we were up 81k. This week we're at 116k, so we're up 35 grand this week. Now, most of that is just mog pumping. As far as trades go, there's legit nothing to go over. We only took 2 trades and we just broke even on both of them. But yeah, let's take a look at mog. So mog is up 26% this week, and it's at 330 mil market cap. So we are now out of that danger zone that we were in last week. We were down at like 240 mil. Obviously, the IMF cascade that we were on about last week was at 210 mil. So we didn't want to go down to there. Fortunately, crypto is pumping now, and Ethereum is pumping, so we got out of that dip. But yeah, we had a nice strong candle, 26% up, and it's looking really good. It's kind of repeating basically what it does every time. Mog, it pretty much just trends down like this and then just goes and shoots up pretty parabolic. You can see it every time. It's just like it's nice down and then bang, parabolic. Same here, and then legit everywhere. So I'm expecting this to break out at some point soon, and we'll get up to that $1 billion area. I don't think we're going down any lower, but anyone could be wrong. As far as Ethereum goes, we can see it's had a very strong candle as well. So that's 8% up on the week, and it's chilling here right now. It's at resistance, so we have this like diagonal resistance here, and it's finding some there. You could easily like still mess around in this zone for like a few more weeks, like kind of do something similar to this here. So you kind of recover that dip, and then you just trade sideways before going up. And it could easily do something pretty similar over here. And then, maybe like late October we break out, which, would still be a very good option for us. But yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum are looking really good. Bitcoin here almost made an all-time high last week, or like yesterday even. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking amazing. Very strong candle, up 9% this week. But yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. So dominance is, it's looking like it wants to go higher, which obviously isn't good for altcoins, but it doesn't necessarily matter. Your altcoins can still go up in value or at least hold value. This whole thing over here was, a lot of memes were doing very well in that. And, this is the first time dominance has really gone down this cycle. So one little bounce isn't anything to worry about. We could probably hit that 60% area. Benjamin Cohen's been going on about that for weeks now, and he probably is going to be right. But yeah, we just go up to there, and then somewhere up there and break down. But yeah, that's not anything to worry about. That's completely fine. Overall, is what is. As far as total 3 goes, total 3 is looking very good. I think it made another all-time high. Yeah, it did this week, which obviously is very good for the whole market. We really need to see this thing break into that fucking price discovery area, because that's when your real, things are going to be moving very well. Same for Ethereum, really. You're just pretty much waiting on everything to get up to those all-time highs again. But yeah, I mean, these charts are looking super good. Really, like, it's just a waiting game. Like, there's only so long we're going to chill by here before we break out. The stock market's pretty much already told you where all of crypto is about to go. All of them are ripping all-time highs. Gold is absolutely sending. These things go, and then once they slow down, once gold slows down, usually a Bitcoin gets a rally, and that'll probably happen very soon because this thing has been on an absolute tear. So yeah, I mean, I'm bullish on this last quarter of the year. I do think that we'll get that big blow off top, and towards maybe the end of the year or start of next year will probably be the top of the cycle. But for now, we're looking very good for Bitcoin and the whole market to go higher. So yeah, I mean, overall, very good. We're at 115k. We got obviously 150 grand in MOG, but it's in IMF, so we do owe 40k. MOG's obviously our main bet of the cycle because it's just a top meme on Ethereum, and it runs very hard when the markets pump. It's very strong, and it very much tracks with Pepe. So very good meme, and that's where I put pretty much all of the money on this account. Other than that, we just have some money on Pulse Chain, which is just for trading. Obviously, I haven't took any trades over there in a while, well, not any good trades at least. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to talk about. So we're at 116k, and we're up 35 grand for the week, basically just from market pumping, and we're looking good for whatever's to come next. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.